The leather used for these shoes is cow's leather, a high-quality material sourced from various regions. The process begins with preparing and dyeing the leather. That is essential for achieving the desired look and feel. Artists then create the shoes entirely by hand, stitching the leather together with precision and care. Each pair is crafted without the aid of machinery, emphasizing the skill and dedication of the craftsman. They rely on traditional techniques for cutting and sewing, which not only highlights the artistry involved but also ensures that each shoe is unique. The resulting footwear is comfortable, showcasing the thoughtful design and craftsmanship behind it. Despite the extensive labor involved, these shoes are offered at an affordable price. This accessibility reflects the artist's commitment to their craft and their desire to provide quality products to consumers. The emphasis on handwork and the absence of machine involvement enhances the value of the shoes, as they embody the rich tradition of artistical craftsmanship. The narrative invites consumers to appreciate the hard work and artistry that go into each pair of shoes. By choosing handmade footwear, customers not only gain a quality product but also support the preservations of traditional techniques and the livelihoods of skilled artists. So these handcrafted shoes made from cows